Hi there, check out the Univivi storage basket, a versatile and sturdy solution for all your organization needs. Made from high-quality Oxford cloth with stiff cardboard sides, these baskets hold their shape and stay durable. Each basket features a convenient cloth handle for easy carrying and comfortable grip. The foldable design includes a removable center divider for flexible storage options and space-saving when not in use. Measuring 12 by 12 by 5 inches, these baskets fit perfectly on shelves, closets, and drawers to store everything from toys to towels. Use them in any room to reduce clutter and keep your space neat and tidy. Simplify your organizing routine with these multifunctional and stylish storage bins. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.